Hello, it's Peg, and today on Art Joy Sharing Live, which is another YouTube channel that I share with Shell C, every Thursday we do a live show, and today we were talking about dimensional ATCs. Now, if you've been following along, you notice that the last 2 days were all very dimensional ATCs, and so we're talking about that today. And I'm just starting working on some components for what I'm going to be creating during the live show. And Shell's talking about what she's going to be doing today. So be sure and check out her video because she'll have a fast version. And then, of course, if you want to see the complete hour and a half slow version, you can go watch it on Art Joy Sharing. So I'm showing some stencils that I'd gotten in from my friend Jackie, and I will put links down below to both Jackie and um, Rachel because I featured some free papers that I'd gotten from Rachel in the stencils that I'd gotten in from Jackie's Etsy store. And so I'm just starting to create. The piece on the left is dimensional paste that has been put through a stencil from Jackie, and the papers that I'm gluing down on this piece are from Rachel. So I'm going to use another stencil from Jackie on top of those papers, and it's a border stencil. She has some very geometric stencils, and I like it because we had done some Aboriginal art not too long ago and was really enjoying that, and I like the bold graphics. Anyway, I have several pieces of paper that I've created now. One was with the stencil, one was from Rachel, and I'm going to use a gold metallic pen and a black pen from Posca, and I'm going to, the gold is a gold leafing pen from Krylon. I'm going to just put a line down between those two different papers. And then I have a embossed image. This is a magenta image that I've cut out. This is a stamp from Magenta and very graphic, quite the character. And then some stamps from Seth After. I'm going to stamp my sentiment and cut that out. And then dimensionally, I'm going to use some 3D tape or dimensional tape to raise those up off of the card and give it more of a 3D look. So that will be day 18 of Artist Trading Card a Day. I hope you enjoyed this. We will be working on more ATCs throughout the month. And if you watch Art Joy Sharing next week, we will be back again next week with ATC a Day on Art Joy Sharing. So we'll see you then. Bye for now.